Hello everyone and welcome to another Google Ads and Claude tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to generate a complete professional Google Ads report with Claude. We're going to go straight to the point. Before we do that, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. It helps tremendously create new content, so thank you very much in advance. And let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is to navigate to Google Ads. We're going to download all the data that we need to create this report from Google Ads. So you need to go ideally at keyword level if you want this to be a paid search report. Then you need to click on columns and customize the columns to include all the metrics that matter to you. For example, here I have impressions, clicks, click-through rate, cost, conversion rate, conversion, CPC, cost per conversion. You can add impressions here or any other metrics that matter to you. And if you want this report to also have a breakdown by month, for example, you can click here on segment, you can select time, and you can segment by month. And from there, you're going to click download, and you're going to download all the data in a CSV format. CSV is the easiest format that AI can parse. Now, it's not mandatory to go at the keyword level. You can download data at the campaign level by day. You can download data at an ad group level. You decide the level of depth that you want to go through and you want to include in your report. The keyword level ensures that we're going to have data by keyword, campaign, and also ad group. Once you download this data, then you're going to go here to Claude. And you're going to give a simple prompt. First of all, you're going to upload this CSV file. You don't need to clean it up. You don't need to do anything. You're just going to upload it straight up. And you're going to say, use the attached Google Ads data to create a Google Ads report, including top-level campaign performance. You're going to list the metrics that you want to include. Then I ask the system to create a combo chart, including clicks versus CPC by month, another combo chart including conversions versus conversion rate by month, and a bar chart including spend by month. If you want to copy this prompt, although it's not super detailed, you can copy it from the video description below. The system went ahead and did exactly that. So it created a top level, basically, performance report. Then it created my combo charts, clicks by CPC by month, conversions by conversion rate by month, spend by month. If you want to adjust any of these charts or also maybe the top level performance metrics, you can do this very easily by adjusting the prompt. From there, we went ahead and we gave another prompt. So I asked the system to create a table including campaign performance, then another table including monthly performance, and then the top 10 keywords sorted by conversions. And also in the end, I asked the system to include the insights, the quick wins, and the long-term initiatives, and make sure that it references the data when it comes to insights, quick wins, and long-term initiatives that we can take to optimize performance. So the system went ahead and did exactly that. Now, in the end, I asked the system to take everything, stitch them together, and create a PDF with a summary on the top, the insights, the quick wins, and the long-term initiatives in the bottom, and to convert all the tables into a heat map also. And the system went ahead and did exactly that. So you will be able here to see the report that Claude created. So it's a PDF report, Google Ads performance report. It mentions the brand, the name, executive summary, and here we have all the tables we asked for. We have the analysis and the recommendations. Everything is here. Can we potentially improve that? The answer is definitely yes. How I would improve that? I would ask the system to create maybe a summary row for every table that we have here. So we have the summary. Maybe I'm going to ask the system to include, for example, the logo of the brand and the logo of the agency. We need to provide just the images in the chat. Maybe we can also ask the system to improve the way it is giving the analysis and the recommendations with more information, why we should do that, what is more important, what is less important, and so forth. So we can refine essentially this PDF. And perhaps we can also ask the system to include every table in a separate page together with an analysis, so it doesn't really look chopped, for example, here, or a table that goes through two different PDF pages. So when we download this PDF, it's a lot easier to read. So that's how we can further improve this report. And if we are happy with the result and we want to reuse everything, then I would add two more things basically here in my conversation with Claude. I would say to the system, please recap the steps you took to create this report. And the next thing I would add is to convert this into a Claude skill, give it a name and save it as a skill. So next time I throw this Excel file basically here in Claude, I can reference this skill and you can go ahead and you can create the report and you can give me the PDF straight away without me having to go through this conversation. So to summarize everything, there are two options basically here that you have. Option number one, you throw the data and then you go through a conversation, step-by-step conversation to create the Google Ads report. Some of you may ask, why shouldn't we just tell Claude everything from the beginning and let the system create the report? Because by going one prompt after another and going slowly, you control the output, you are going to get better quality output. Once you are happy with everything, option number two is to save everything as a skill, so that next time that you want to do the same thing, all you have to do is to just throw the file into the system and Claude is going to go ahead and follow the steps that you already outlined and give you the report. All you have to do from there is to download the report and send it to your client. Now, if you are to use Cowork also, you can even automate this process. For example, you can throw the file, for example, into a specific folder and you can schedule a task. You can say to Claude, every Monday, access this folder, take the newest file, create the PDF report, and then go to my Gmail and send this report to the client. So we can have also full automation when it comes to reporting. Perhaps this is a topic for another video. For this video, what we wanted to do is something that we already achieved. We wanted to create a Google Ads report with Claude. If you have any questions, any thoughts, anything you want to bring up, you can let me know in the comments below. If you want to work with me, there are links in the video description. Thank you very much for watching this video and have an amazing day in any time zone. Bye, everyone.